Tell me what you want me to say. Why things gotta be this way? Tell me to leave, then you tell me to stay. He broke your heart, now you say you're okay. Tell me what you want me to say.
It's your boy Ace Rozay.
And it's your girl Alyssa.
And
we in the building.
Back bringing you that fire content, because remember, we giving you what you need. Not what you want, but what you need. So today, we are going to be trying out that new KFC donut chicken sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Let's see how it tastes today.
We're going to give our review on it, if we like it, if we don't like it, what we don't like about it, what we do like about it. It's whatever we feel like saying, because it's our taste buds, you get me?
Hopefully it tastes good. I'm excited.
Hopefully.
You excited? I'm excited.
So excited! So stay tuned, because I'm hungry and I'm ready to bite that sandwich, you dig? So we're back from KFC, and as you can see, we got the donut chicken sandwich. You ready to bite that?
Hell yeah, I'm hungry. I don't know about y'all.
Are
I
you
hope it
ready
tastes
to
good.
watch us bite that?
I hope it tastes real good.
I do too. Let me get these fries out the way real quick. So I want y'all to see this. I want y'all to, you know what I mean? Look at that. It don't look all that because, you know, that's what happens when you get it from the hood. But
hopefully it has all the right flavors.
all the right flavors. You ready, babe?
Alright.
This is our review. Ooh, it's sticky.
It's gonna be sticky.
Oh, man.
I see it already.
Y'all see all that glazed stickiness?
Oh my god, it's so sticky. Fuck.
Oh, shit. Alright, you ready?
Oh shit, let me get closer. I should put my hair up. I didn't think about that. One, two.
3. Bomb flat. Good, man. Every bite is better than the last one.
This shit's sweet. Real sweet. I think it might be too sweet, believe it or not. Either that or it's because all the glaze is on the top part.
Oh, God.
There's like no glaze on this side. It tastes good though, but I feel like it's kind of too sweet. It's overpowering. Oh no. Oh.
KFC did something with this one. God bless.
I had no idea I could turn them up down. Yeah, no, I do.
You don't like it?
I just feel like it's too sweet.
I don't know.
I feel like if it would have had less glaze, it would have been just right. Because it don't taste bad with the glaze. I like the glazed donuts. I just feel like, it's going to sound weird, but it got too much glaze.
Then when that glaze hit that chicken just like that, the way it did right there, that it did it. Man, listen. That's not even right.
All right. I need to take the top part off. It's too glazed for me. The bottom has just the right amount of glaze that I needed. This is a small piece of chicken.
I guess you're supposed to get filled off the donut.
Yeah. This was a fatter piece of chicken though. So Mm.
I'm about to make one of these.
Who thought of this? It's good. Not fun.
I don't know who thought of this. I heard of chicken and waffles, but I never heard of chicken and donuts.
But yeah, now that I took that piece off, the one that had too much glaze, it tastes just the right amount. It's good though.
Word.
Oh my god, this is drip on my pants. No.
Oh, now you got sauce.
For real.
Swagoo.
Dripping. On a 1 to 10, 10 big bets, how you think it tastes?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. 1 to 10?
1 to 10. Not bad.
I'm gonna give it like an 8.5.
I think I'm gonna give it a 7. It's too much glaze.
Only the reason why I say 8.5 is
Too
because
much glaze.
it is really sticky.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like my top bun didn't have no glaze, only my bottom. Like if all the glaze dripped down to the bottom.
But that's what made it better. The fact that that one side that didn't have all the glaze, I feel like that made the sandwich because it had the other side.
Then
too
the
much.
other side didn't have too much because it dripped down. It didn't have the right portion and ratio.
I feel like it needs less glaze and it'll be the bomb because it don't taste bad. But too much glaze. Like, look, you see all the glaze in here? Like, Jesus Christ, bro. Diabetes or what?
Yeah, I ain't gonna front. Look at all that glaze. There's a lot of glaze in there. If y'all see
Yeah,
it.
like, damn.
That's the heart stopper right there. 8.5. Comment below. Tell us what you think if you've had it. And you want to sign us out, babe?
Definitely gotta try this. But yeah, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna have new content every week. And definitely turn your post notification on. What I said, babe?
Because if you don't like, share, subscribe, then it doesn't count. And if you put the notification bell on, then you get to see us more often. Why wouldn't you want to? We're pretty awesome.
Damn, this shit crisp on my hands. And then I was like, man, hard. And it's sticky.
All right, we out of here.
They taking food off my plate, so don't tell me relax. I see you living real good. This is your luxury tax. I go on a hunt, no escape, no time to react.